10 best Illustrator shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Number 1. Selecting item. Alt or Option plus click layer. Use this if you wish to quickly select all the items on your current layer. This is one of the most useful Adobe Illustrator keyboard shortcuts, which can save you a lot of time. Without this shortcut, you would need to click every item on your layer individually, and you still wouldn't be sure you have selected them all. This shortcut also selects items that are locked and not visible. Number 2. Hand tool. Spacebar or Control or Command plus spacebar. This shortcut can be used if you wish to quickly move around the artboard without disturbing the content. But be careful, if you are in edit mode, this will simply add a lot of spaces to your text. When in edit mode, you must additionally press the Control key before using the spacebar. And you must do this quickly after pressing Control, else you will still end up with a lot of spaces in your text. Number 3. Zoom. Control or Command plus spacebar to zoom in. Control or Command plus Alt or Option plus spacebar to zoom out. You can zoom into your artboard or zoom out of it using these Adobe Illustrator shortcut keys. Number 4. Move selection. Shift plus arrow keys. When you are designing stuff, you need to ensure that your selection placement on the screen is perfect. Dragging and moving your selection with a mouse does not give you the needed accuracy, because the step increments when using the mouse are too large. This shortcut will help you with accurate placement of your selection on the screen. After clicking on your selection, simply move it around using the Shift and arrow keys. Number 5. Add selection. Shift plus click. This shortcut allows you to add selections one at a time to your existing selection set. It is useful when you need to select only specific selections rather than all the selections on the screen. Number 6. Duplicate. Alt or Option plus drag. You can click on Alt or Option and simply drag your selection to duplicate it. Number 7. Scaling. Shift plus drag boundary box. One more of the cooler Adobe Illustrator shortcuts which allows you to quickly change the size of your images without distorting their scale. After selecting your image, click the Shift key and drag the boundary box around the image to the desired size. Number 8. Sample color. Oftentimes, when you are designing logos or icons, you wish to use the exact color of another object. The eyedropper is one of those interesting Illustrator shortcuts that let you sample the color from a vector, gradient, or image. Number 9. Align text. Control or Command plus Shift plus L for align left. Control or Command plus Shift plus C for align center. Control or Command plus Shift plus R for align right. If you wish to see how your text looks in different alignments, this shortcut can help you with that. You can very quickly check out left, center and right alignments using Control plus Shift and L, C or R, without even trying to find this in the menu options. Number 10. Font size. Control or Command plus Shift plus less than sign, or greater than sign. An effective way of changing your font size directly in front of your eyes.